Hello my beautiful watchers, I hope you are doing great. We continue our Christmas challenge. If you want to win one of the books I'm reading this December, comment under any My December videos which book you consider to be the best for reading this Christmas season. Do you believe in Santa Claus or Father Christmas? Even if you are a grown-up person, we all want to believe in magic, that someone powerful will come and solve all our problems and bring us joy and happiness. Christmas is the only opportunity to become kids again and start believing in magic. Or maybe become Santa Claus or Father Christmas yourself by helping other people to feel joy, to support them, to give them something they need, or simply writing letters. Today we are talking about one of such Father Christmases, John Tolkien. John Ronald Tolkien is best known for Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. He was not only an author, the Oxford University professor, he was also a devoted father. In 1920, he began a family Christmas tradition that would continue for the next 23 years. John Tolkien began to write his grandchildren letters from Father Christmas. He illustrated his letters with his own drawings. Today we are reading one of the letters from 1925. Cliff House, top of the world, near the North Pole. Christmas 1925. My dear boys, I am dreadfully busy this year. It makes my hand more shaky than even when I think of it, and not very rich. In fact, awful things have been happening, and some of the presents have got spoiled, and I haven't got the North Polar Bear to help me. And I have had to move house just before Christmas. So you can imagine what a state everything is in, and you will see why I have a new address, and why I can only write one letter between you both. It all happened like this. One very windy day last November, my hood blew off and went and stuck on the top of the North Pole. I told him not to, but the North Polar Bear climbed up to the thin top to get it down, and he did. The pole broke in the middle and fell on the roof of my house, and the North Polar Bear fell through the hole it made into the dining room with my hood over his nose. And all the snow fell off the roof into the house and melted and put out all the fire and ran down into the cellars where I was collecting this year's presents, and the North Polar Bear's leg got broken. He's well again now, but I was so cross with him that he says he won't try to help me again. I expect his temper is hurt and will be mended by next Christmas. I sent you a picture of the accident and of my new house on the cliffs above the North Pole, with beautiful cellars in the cliffs. If John can't read my old shaky writing, 1925 years old, he must get his father to. When is Michael going to learn to read and write his own letters to me? Lots of love to you both and Christopher, whose name is rather like mine. That's all. Goodbye. Father Christmas. I hope you liked the letter, and I hope it would encourage you to do something good for somebody, to visit an old friend or a relative, or even call, or simply to write a letter and to make someone happy. And see you in the next video. Bye!